Well, an interesting start to this Tuesday. A little fog out there earlier, but it is burning off quickly, and your fresh air forecast is going to turn out to be a nice afternoon across the board. We've got some slow clearing, milder temperatures on the way, and many locations, especially south of Louisville and our southern Kentucky counties, already pressing the upper 60s. You see here on our regional radar and satellite, the clearing kind of working to the north because we have a little boundary that is crossing the I-64 corridor, and what a difference a few minutes and especially over the last hour has made here. Our UPSjobs.com HC Camera Network, University of Louisville online campus cam. Looking at this literally almost 60 minutes ago, you couldn't even see the skyline at all. But again, the fog burning off up to 59 at Ali International. We've got a bit of a west wind that will pick up. Not overly breezy, but enough to mix the air up and get us a little sunshine in here. As you see, north of the boundary, upper to mid 40s, 50, Madison and Scottsburg, and then along and south of the river, we're in the 60s and probably will touch the 70-degree mark down south. Allergy forecast on the high side today. We'll back things down just a touch Wednesday and Thursday. Some of that rain around into the medium category. Got a few showers, rumbles of thunder along a boundary down to our south. Again, there's a little warm front's going to arc through. You look back to the west, area of low pressure. That's going to be the big weather maker for the eastern part of the country. The next one as we head into later tomorrow and for the day on Thursday, we'll see upper 60s for afternoon highs, starting out in the 40s in the morning. A few scattered clouds during the overnight. And then as we get deeper in the afternoon, we're going to see several rounds, it looks like, of scattered showers and thunderstorms, some pockets of heavy rain here and there as that area of low pressure literally spins right through the region, maybe a little wraparound moisture into Thursday afternoon before we do begin to cool things down. So rainfall totals could see a good solid 3/4 an inch, maybe even more than that in spots out of this. Now, tomorrow, we're in good shape. It's the deep south from Arkansas through Mississippi, Alabama. They're in the level 4 out of 5 risk, so they could have a major severe weather outbreak across the deep south. Meanwhile, we're just looking at a few general thunderstorms. But as we get into the Wednesday night hours into early Thursday, we're kind of on the northwestern fringe of this with level 2, which is a slight risk. So some strong, potentially a few damaging winds. But again, the bulk of this is going to be in that level 3 enhanced risk across the Carolinas and into parts of Georgia. Notice the rainfall chances ramping up and then ramping down, and our average highs headed toward the 60-degree mark. And other than Friday, Saturday, we're going to be above the curve. Things looking pretty good. This weekend should be delightful as spring arrives, and then we will see again this next system headed our direction as we roll into next week. So St. Patrick's Day tomorrow, a little wet and stormy late into Thursday, and it's going to feel like spring. Nice start to it on Saturday, mid-60s Sunday, and back into the upper 60s early next week. There's more WHAS 11 News at noon coming up.